Hello, I'm Dr. Ashok Kumar, Head Department of Zoology and Industrial Fish and Fisheries, Ganga Singh College, Chapla. Now I am going to deal with deal with the fishery of mackerels, that is Rashtriya Lizard Kanagurta. This Rashtriya Lizard Kanagurta or Indian mackerel is very much important commercial fish of the east coast as well as west coast. In east coast, it is scarce it is found in the pelagic water of Visakhapatnam, but it is mostly found in Kerala and Karnataka. Hence, in Bay of Bengal as well as in Indian Ocean, and other species of mackerels, that is Brachysoma, Bleecker 1851, found it only in Andaman waters, and Phaguni occur along the Madras coast. So mackerel is important because it is a very commercially important fish, and it constitutes 20% of the total marine catch. And different, it is also, as well as for the first, it is firstly it is edible. Second, it also works as fish meal for poultry, for the growth of poultry and cattle. Second, it also works as fertilizer or fish guano. So it is also important, but most important is it is commercially important edible fish, and different types of preparations are prepared for, and value is added in the place of value addition fish, like from mackerel, fish cutlet, fish chop, fish pickles, fish waffles, fish papad, fish. So different articles, eating articles are prepared in the post-harvest technology, post-harvest in NIFAT, National Institute of Fish Post-Harvest Technology and Training places, and this is 90% of the landing is from Kulon in Kerala to Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. So major catch is from Kerala to Karnataka, Kerala to Maharashtra, and its systematic position is as follows. It is a bony fish, Teleostomi, Actinopterygii, and family Scombridae. Order it is Perciformis, genus Rashtriya Lizard, species Rashtriya Lizard Kanagurta. So its character, the main character, how to distinguish it, that head length is equal to height of the body, and body laterally compressed, and a snout is pointed. The most important distinguishing feature is this, that there are two dorsal fins and finlets, dorsal spine and first dorsal fin, and then there is a space on the dorsal surface, then finlets. So first spines in dorsal fin, the first spine is smaller than the second, spine of the dorsal fin, and dorsal and anal finlets are 5 to 6 in numbers. Dorsal and anal finlets 5 to 6. Caudal fins deeply forked with pointed lobes and are yellow colored. It is caudal fin. Or body color is bluish green and yellow in the belly side, yellow on the belly side, and body with 3 longitudinal stripes along the upper half of the body. So on both sides there are on the belly side, in the middle the 3 lines are 3 grayish longitudinal stripes are present along the upper half of the body, and a row of 16 greenish blotches below the dorsal fin on the back. 1 blotch below the base of pectoral fin. So finlets and 3 stripes, finlets and pectoral blotch, these are the distinguishing character of Rastraliger kanagurta or Indian mackerel. Distribution and size. The most of the mackerel fishing center lie between Quilon in Kerala and Ratnagiri in Maharashtra along the west coast. The size of the sexually mature Rastraliger kanagurta or Indian mackerel size is 224 am. Rastraliger kanagurta, the size of the sexually mature, that is of Indian mackerel Rastraliger kanagurta, that is 224 mm. It means it is 22.4 centimeters, and below this size they are juveniles or youngs or juveniles. Mackerel fishery are supported by the juveniles. Most of the catch the number of juveniles remain in a markable amount, and the source of juveniles are also caught in shore scenes and boat scenes. So shore scenes and boat scenes, by shore scenes and boat scenes, the souls are captured. Souls, as I had already explained in wild sardine in the fishery, souls are the assemblage of a group of same size, same color, same speed, same age, same species. They are called souls, or schools. They are called souls, or schools. Sometimes it is also some persons, someone has. So a small catch of souls are besides the west coast in Karnataka, in Kerala, and up to Maharashtra, Ratnagiri. It is also found in the east coast in Bay of Bengal, in Visakhapatnam, and Maharashtra, Madras, and Visakhapatnam in the east coast. Fishing is carried out up to 20-meter depth of the sea, in which juveniles are from 170 millimeter, means 17 centimeter, to 180 mm or 18 centimeters are caught. Now, food and feeding habits of Rastraliger kanagurta or Indian mackerel. The Indian mackerel is a surface feeder. For the first time, it is surface feeder. Its feed is located in the upper pelagic in the and inshore water, and it is found in its feed is present in inshore water, and it consists of phytoplanktons or zooplanktons. Zooplanktons. The planktons are strained by gill rackers borne by the gill arches. The gill rackers are only developed in the adult, while gill adults are phytoplankton feeders, and the juveniles are zooplankton feeders. So among the they migrate to, and their source are they migrate during the post-monsoon months, after August. From September they are found in post-monsoon months, and sources are located in post-monsoon months, which indicates that for the purpose of feeding on the high density of the plankton in the inshore areas. The planktons are in abundance in the inshore water of the sea, and these phytoplanktons are the diatoms such as Coscinodiscus, Pleurosigma, Chitopterus, Pleurosigma, Coscinodiscus, Pleurosigma, Bidulphia, Fragillaria, Fragillaria, Bidulphia, Pleurosigma, Serratium, Peridinium. These are the phytoplanktons which are usually taken by the adults and adults which have developed gill rakers, and by filter feeding they take these phytoplanktons as their feed. Now, second thing, now the juveniles, they are mostly the juveniles feed upon or subsist on zooplanktons, and these zooplanktons are crustaceans and copepods like Oithona, Eucalanus, Pseudodaptomus, and some larvae like Nauplius, Protozoa, Zoea, Mysis. These are the larval stages of the prawns. And so, besides polychaete larva, molluscan larva, fish egg, and fish larva are also their feed. So, juveniles take zooplanktons, while adults take phytoplanktons as their feed. Now, the post larvae. The post larvae 5 to 6 mm are herbivorous, feeding on diatoms of algae. The post larvae 5 to 6 mm are herbivorous, feeding on diatoms of algae. The juveniles 25 mm are omnivorous, and adults 35 to 24 mm are carnivorous, feeding on larvae and juvenile fish. The competitor for feed is the main competitor for its planktons. The main competitor is wild sardine, because the same planktons are taken by wild sardines, juveniles of wild sardines, as well as adults of wild sardine, and the same thing is same. Phytoplankton and zooplankton. Planktons are taken by Rashtriya lizard Kanagurta or Indian mackerel. Now there is some differences from the wild sardine, that the Indian mackerels, that is Rashtriya lizard Kanagurta, its post larvae 5 to 6 mm are herbivorous. They are feeding on diatoms and algae. The juveniles 25 mm are omnivorous, and adults are carnivorous, feeding on larvae and juvenile fish. Previously, I had already explained that in wild sardine, the adults take phytoplankton while the juveniles take zooplankton. But here there is some difference, that is juveniles are omnivorous, post larvae are herbivorous, advanced stage, that is the juveniles. After post larvae, juveniles are omnivorous, and adults, that is 35 mm to 224 mm, 224 mm are carnivores, feeding on larvae and juvenile fish. The competitor of food is wild sardine, Sardinella longiceps, as both are plankton feeders and migrate into inshore areas in the same season, because there is in the age and growth. Mackerels attains an average length of 10 centimeters at the end of first year, and 18 centimeters at the end of second year, and 20 centimeters and above in more than 2 years, as reported by Pradhan in the year 1956. The migration of souls, as souls are the aggregation of same size, same age, running, swimming with same speed, same color, same these things, everything is same, and that is souls, as I had already explained. Different types of souls in the case of wild sardine. Now, migration of souls. The fishing season indicates the migration of souls of mackerels in the southernmost region from Cape Comorin to Punani, till fishing starts in August and lasts till February. Here fishing starts from August and last till February. From Punani to Mangalore, from August, September to March, April, and in the northernmost region from Mangalore to Ratnagiri. So during March to from August, September to March, April. That is all about the feeding and their migration of souls, and that is all about the migration of souls. And the same thing is how crafts and gears, these are persons and cast nets. So these are the crafts and gears, dugout canoes, and power driven large boats. They go as in wild sardine. Further, besides persons, rampan is also an important net which is used in the catch of Indian mackerels. That is all about the fishery of mackerels. Rashtriya Leisure Kanagurta. Thank you.